Welcome to another How to Bake, and today I am going to show you how to bake a vanilla chocolate cake without using a mixer. The first thing we need is cacao. And then we need butter, oil, brown sugar, white sugar, 2 eggs, some milk, vanilla flavor, baking powder, baking soda, some salt, all-purpose flour, and of course chocolate. Start preheating your oven to 180 degrees. Put your cacao into a bowl while using a sieve. And then add your melted butter and oil. And then mix until there is no more cacao visible. Now add your sugar, eggs, milk and vanilla. And then mix until everything is well mixed. Now add your baking powder, baking soda and salt. Mix it again. Make sure you scrape the sides. Use a sieve again and put your flour through it. Put your chocolates on top of the flour and then mix everything until there is no more flour visible. Take your cake tin and use some oil to prevent the cake from sticking. I'm using some paper inside, which makes it easier to get the cake out after baking. Finish your cake with some chocolates on top. Now it's time to bake. Thank you for watching, and did you like this recipe, then please leave a comment and don't forget to like and subscribe.